Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share with you just a really quick AliExpress haul. I all got these items I'm going to show you from the Beleshiny Decoration Store. If you want the link to the store or any particular links, you can always let me know down in the comments as usual, and let's just quit the rambling right away and show you all the stuff I got. Before I get any questions, this is the cute Valentine's Day nail art I made with Madam Glam gel polishes. It's been on for 2 weeks now and it still looks perfect. I only have some new growth, but that is all. I don't have any lifting or anything, and just look at how sparkly that pretty shimmer and glitter is. And this is just the color I used in my previous nail polish of the week video. This one is by Essence and it's called Razzle Dazzle. It's a beautiful silver with a drop of lilac, like metallic polish. But yeah, first up I got a bunch of 6 packs of glitter and little sequins and stuff. I am going to put some smaller little sachets in my giveaway box, which still is not complete. As I mentioned in a previous video, I really want to do a 5k subscriber giveaway, and I'm gathering loads of stuff to put in there. I've asked you guys what you would like to see me put in that giveaway box, and there was a ton, glitter, embellishments, brushes, other tools, stuff like that. So I'm just going to give you all a little bit of my items as well, and just make tiny sachets of those so I can actually make someone else happy with my purchases as well. All of these 6 packs, let me just check, they were all €1.53, so you get 6 for $1.53. These are all tiny cute hearts. They have a speckly effect, they're a little bit speckled or something. You can see it right here. They are not completely even or leveled out or anything. They kind of have different colored speckles in there. So there's blue, orange, green, purple, red, and a mixed red, purple, and green. Then I also got this 6 pack, and this one contains diamond shaped glitter, and there are loads of gorgeous ones. Just look at that holographic one, that is stunning. Very, very beautiful. And this is a silver with a little bit of green in there. Very beautiful. And this is more of an oil slick kind of effect. Then I've got some arrowhead shaped glitters as well. These are all holographic, so a green, purple, red, a gold, a beautiful blue, and a silver original holo one. Then I also got a mixed pot of holographic silver and gold circular sequins. I don't know if you want to call it sequins. It's more of confetti glitter, if you want to call it that. But the my cat just jumped off of my desk. Sorry guys if you were shaking a little bit. But I'm just going to make tiny little sachets, as I said, and also going to put a couple of these in one for my giveaway box. Then these are these are gorgeous. They are kind of how do you call that? Let me just Google that real quick, how you say that in English, because I'm not sure. Okay, I just Googled it, and it is called a diamond shape, but it's more, in Dutch they're called ruiten. So it's more that kind of shape, a little bit elongated square. So it's diamond shape from a deck of cards, if you know what I mean. So these are all different colors, and the beautiful lilac is in there as well. Then next up I have a triangle kind of shape, but these are a little bit more raised. So they are kind of like a pyramid, but just with 3 sides instead of 4. I'll try to show you right here. You can see they are a little bit lifted or a little bit more 3D. I already got some of these. These have the most beautiful finish ever. They're kind of oil slicky or a beetle kind of color. Very pretty. And then again a little bit of pink, some silver holo, some translucent white ones, and some purples as well. And then to finish off the loose glitter, I also got this pack in silver, and I used that for a couple of my videos from my winter nail art week back in December, but I didn't have the gold one yet, so I just got these. So there are 6 different sized gold holographic stars in here. And yeah, let's just continue. I also got a pack of 48 sheets of water decals, and these I got for $1.94. I haven't, oh, there's a glitter in there. I haven't opened this one yet, so let's just check it out together. I think these are all flowers. My cat is meowing again. Always when I want to record something, they just go wild and insane. These are some beautiful like hand painted flowers, or at least that's what they look like. Some feathers, more feathers. Well, I just got interrupted. But there are more flowers. I just picked it because I saw there were like loads of flowers in here, and they are more like tinier designs. So I can actually use them on my clients who have shorter nails as well. Then there's some like, you could use it for Valentine's Day. These are like the dried flowers you can actually buy online as well. Feathers, more flowers, like leafy kind of thingies. These are pretty cute as well, like Marilyn Monroe, Che Guevara. That's pretty cool. These are some other like lipstick thingies, flowers, feathers, lots of different ones. These are quite pretty. That is really nice. There's just a whole lot of different ones. This one is really cute with like perfume bottles. Even more in color. Loads of like really abstract kinds of decals as well, but that's okay. I can always find or get use out of these types. These are cute. So yeah, I just got these for a little less than €2, so that is quite a good deal in my opinion. Then finally I have got a bunch of like different kind of embellishments, and as I said, everything comes from the Beleshiny Decoration Store. You can just look them up at Aliexpress and you will find them. Then these were actually selected as a pack of 50, but they only come in packs of 10, so I got 5 packs in total, and I already got these in pink and like a minty green, and I've used them a ton before in my mermaid nail art designs. But I got this pack of 50 for only €1.17, so that is quite affordable. Then I've got a whole bunch of like random like little baggies again, and I will try to record a new like nail art stuff organization video soon. I've done that a couple of months ago and I really love doing that. It actually is all about just getting them out of these little sachets, these little package, and just get them all in my little like square boxes in which I store a ton of my embellishments. I don't know all the prices by memory of each and every one of them, but they were all, let me just check real quick. They were all about, I think they were like between €1.10 and €1.50 or something like that. Oh, and guys, sorry if you hear my cats like running and meowing and being all crazy. I just got home after a long day of work, and they're always just a little bit crazy when I get home. Like they're like super excited and they have too much energy. They're kind of like ADHD cats when I come home, and they just settle down when the night progresses, let's just put it to that. But I've got some cute heart-shaped embellishments. These look like they are like cut out of lace or something, but they're just silver colored. Then I've got some cute little bees, and I got them in gold and in silver. I think I can make some really cute like spring type designs with these. Then I've got some silver colored spiders. I already got these in gold with like red stones, but these have AB crystal kind of stones on there, and there are 10 in a pack. Then I've got some diamond shaped, I know how to call it now, some diamond shaped embellishments, and these are just with like some duochrome flakes in there. They look really pretty. I got them in like a creamy color and gold and black and gold. Then I've got a ton of these. I don't even know if I ordered this. I feel like my order is not complete, that some things are missing or even replaced with some other items. I just have to check because I haven't confirmed getting this package in yet, so I'm just going to check afterwards if I got everything that I actually did order. But these are just rose gold little metal rings. Then I've got some really cute stuff too though. There's a hair. And they really are like Sailor Moon kind of hearts and circular embellishments. And you guys know I've done like 4 Sailor Moon designs last year, and I really want to pick that right back up and just start again where I left off last time and make some more really cool like Sailor Moon inspired designs. So I'm really glad I got these. And I also got some really cute like gold, how do you call that? A key. Some cute key embellishments with a star AB crystal in there. And then lastly, in these little package, I got some heart-shaped ones, and these are just really pretty, and they are in gold. And then finally, and these were like really affordable, I got a couple of 100 pieces of all metallic embellishments. I have got silver and gold like crescent moons, and I got these for 49 cents only. Then I've got like 2 sizes of hearts in gold, and I've got 2 sizes of hearts, like the cut out kind of hearts, in silver. I already got some in silver, but these are bigger than the ones I already had. But yeah, that was like already everything I got. I went through quite quickly. As I said, if you want any direct links to any specific items, just let me know in the comments down below. Or you can just ask me for the seller and you can just browse around in that store yourself, because they have tons. And when I say tons, I really mean like tons of different embellishments. They often update with new embellishments as well, so just check them out a couple of times a year, you know. I do want to mention that I did buy all of these items myself. It might seem like a lot, but it really, like, price-wise, it is really doable. It wasn't super expensive, and they do ship for free, at least to the Netherlands. So yeah, I'm not sponsored in any way. I just really like sharing with you all the stuff I got. And once again, if you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments down below and I will get right back to you personally. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video.